boys and girls. It's me, Eugene Finkelberg. How are you guys doing this week? Man, I am so thirsty. After these last 2 weeks of trying to figure out what my talents were, I need something to drink. I'm parched. Nice soda. I don't know if you guys know what that's called or what you guys call it at home, but that's a burp. Or it's a belch or whatever you might call it. But did you know that everybody burps at some point in time? Yeah, that's right. Everybody does it. And according to science, humans do it about 6 to 20 times a day. Wow! Isn't that amazing? Everybody burps about 6 to 20 times a day. And why do we burp? Well, according to science, we burp because we take in oxygen, we take in air, and that air can come from maybe eating too fast, or talking too fast, or drinking a fizzy soda or something like that. Did you know, boys and girls, that burping is just like blowing up a balloon? It is. It builds up so much air, just more and more and more, until finally it just comes out in a burp. Isn't that cool? That's how our bodies work to relieve the pressure. That's a pretty neat thing, the way that God created our bodies. Yeah. Hey, boys and girls, did you know that humans aren't the only ones that burp? No, that's right. Cows burp too. That's right. They say that a cow burps so much. How much does he burp? The cow burps so much that if you gather 10 cows and you collect their burps for about a year, they can heat your house with their gas for about an entire year. Wow! Cool fact, boys and girls. Did you know that the longest burp was recorded in 2009? Yeah, it lasted 1 minute, 13 seconds, and 57 milliseconds. That's a cool, long burp. Can you imagine? Maybe you burped sometime where you felt like you shook the windows, or your mom yelled at you for burping so loud. She's like, "Oh, you burp so loud! Oh, that's horrible!" So when a burp slips out, what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to say, "Excuse me." It's a way of apologizing for something we did. Just like we should do when we do other things that might hurt somebody else. We should say sorry. Excuse me, I apologize for what I did to you. We should also say sorry to God when we do things to God, which is called, what? It's called sin. That's right, it's called sin when we do something to God. So I want you guys to remember this morning that when you burp, that you need to say, "Excuse me." That's right, yeah. Now, it is funny, I will admit it, I like to burp at home and stuff, and it's funny when it comes out, but we should say, "Excuse me." That's right, just like we should do when we do something wrong. We should apologize to that person or to God. So, with that being said, boys and girls, this week's a short message. But I wanted to just say hello to you and remind you how important it is to say, "Excuse me," no matter whether it's a burp or you do something wrong or you do something wrong to God, that you would come back and you would apologize after doing it. So remember that, boys and girls, and I'll see you again next week. All right? Thank you very much. Bye, boys and girls.